Question 5, we've been given the curve y is equal to 4x squared plus 3. We've been asked to find this area here that's bounded by the line y equals 23 across the top here. Now, this is clearly going to involve integration, but we can only find the area below the curve. But if we find this area here below the curve and subtract it from the area of the rectangle bounded by the line y equals 23, we'll have got the correct answer. However, we first of all got to find the limit of our integration, which is this value of x here. Let's do that first. And to find that value of x, we've got a y value of 23, which we can plug into the equation. And there we have it, y is equal to 23. Moving this around, we get 4x squared is equal to 20, and x squared is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to the square root of 5. We now have to integrate the curve. So it's the integral from 0 up to the root of 5 of our curve, which is 4x squared plus 3. Integrating this, we raise the power of x squared to x cubed and then divide by our new power. So this is equal to 4/3 x cubed plus 3x. And that's from the limits of 0 to the root of 5. Because this is a definite integral, we don't have to bother with the constant of integration, c. So it's just plugging in these values, first root 5 and then 0. The second answer is going to be easy because it is 0. So plugging in root 5, we get. So simplifying this, we'll get 5 out of this trio of root 5s and a root 5. So the 5 multiplied by the 4, so this is 20 over 3 root 5 plus 3 root 5. Now we've got to concern ourselves with the area of the rectangle. And this is equal to the base distance, which is root 5, multiplied by 23. So this is 23 root 5. Remember, this area here is the area below the curve. So the area R must be equal to the area of the rectangle, which is 23 root 5, minus the area that we found here. Those two guys will make 20 root 5 minus 20 over 3 root 5. So putting this on a common denominator of 3, I get 60 root 5 minus 20 root 5. And this is equal to 40 over 3 root 5. Therefore, I can say that k is equal to 40 over 3. And those are your two answers.